Hello viewers, in this video we have to see Britannia has a good day in court as Delhi High Court grants injunction in trademark infringement case. For further information, now we shall go to inside the video. I kindly request all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall go to inside the video. The Delhi High Court granted an ex-parte injunction in favor of Britannia in case filed by the company alleging infringement of its Good Day trademark. Britannia Industries Ltd versus Good Day Oral Care. The order was passed by Justice Sanjeev Narula, who observed that if an ex-parte injunction is not granted, it is likely to cause irreparable loss to Britannia. In its suit, Britannia alleged that Good Day Oral Care was guilty of trademark infringement, copyright violation, passing of dilution and unfair competition, and thus sought damages and a permanent injunction against the defendant. Senior advocate Sandeep Sethi informed the court that Britannia came to know about the same in August 2021 and pointed out that the defendant even has a domain name gooddayoralcare.com. He further submitted that the malefits of the defendants are evident from the fact that they not only adopted the mark Good Day but had also wrongly adopted several representations of Britannia's smile device which are deceptive when put together. The way the trademark is being used, the general public will associate the defendant's product with the plaintiff's and this cause confusion in the eyes of the consumer, Sethi argued. These arguments were opposed by the senior advocate G. Tushar Rao, who stated that the mark Good Day is genetic one used by several other entities. Since it has been registered in favor of many other entities, the plaintiffs cannot claim a monopoly over that mark or seek an injunction against the defendant on this ground. He further submitted that there are more than 25 such registrations of the mark Good Day and therefore the court may not grant an ex-parte order without giving the defendant an opportunity to file a written statement and response to the application. He also challenged the jurisdiction of the court by making an online purchase of the defendant's product. He stated that based on this purchase, the territorial jurisdiction would lie in Chennai instead. Sethi, on the other hand, argued that the trademark in question is well known and has been declared so by the Intellectual Property Appellate Board IPAB in an order passed on December 23, 2020. After hearing both parties at length, the court was inclined to pass the injunction in favor of Britannia, the order stated. In the prima facie opinion of the court, there is sufficient material placed on record by the plaintiff which demonstrates the plaintiff's mark has been acknowledged to be a well-known mark. The plaintiff would therefore have a right to seek injunction relying upon Section 29 subsection 4b of the Trademark Act 1999. The defendant was restrained from selling physically or on online platforms, manufacturing, advertising, and marketing goods bearing the Good Day mark. The court also directed that the domain name gooddayoralcare.com be taken down and ordered the defendant to comply with the order within 2 weeks. The matter will be heard next on December 4th. Along with Sethi, senior advocate Rajeshekar Rao and advocates Sagar Chandra, Ishani Chandra, Shubin Wahi and Sanya Kapoor appeared for Britannia. Advocates Mukul Kumar, Vijay George, Arnav Patnaik and Sanju Vishista represented Good Day Oral Care along with Rao. Hello viewers, from this video you may know Britannia has a good day in court as Delhi High Court grants injunction in trademark infringement case. The defendant was restrained from selling physically or on online platforms, manufacturing, advertising and marketing goods bearing the good day mark. Hello viewers, if you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I kindly request to all the viewers to subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel. I thank you for your valuable time spent for watching this video. Your response has been highly appreciated. Once again, thank you very much.